Well, my name is Antoine Edwards. I'm the Regional Service Manager for Burger Rental Communities.
Awesome.
And I'm Monique Horsey, the Director of Make Ready Services with Maintenance Heroes, a division of Occupancy Heroes.
Awesome.
Well, I feel like the idea of getting out of the mindset that this is how we've always done it, I think that's very important. This conversation that we had here is one that we've been having with my company and the higher-ups for quite a while,
Awesome.
doing Zoom calls on this very topic. And it's that. We're trying to figure out how to think outside the box because what we've been doing is not working.
Yep.
So this is great. I did get a couple of new ideas about how to do that. And so I'm excited.
That's great.
And for me, I really liked the radical retention. I think it's very important to engage with your employees, find out their wants and needs, and have those candid conversations.
That's great.